Alright, hello guys. I'm going to show you how we're going to get started taking prepositional phrases notes today. So as you can see, I'm in my notebook. I'm going to go down to slide 20 where we took notes on prepositions, and I'm actually going to go to slide 21. On slide 21, you see my mouse is hovering over slide 21 right here on the left hand side. I'm going to right click on my mouse and then I'm going to select duplicate slide. Duplicate slide. It is the 7th one down. I'm going to right click on slide number 21 and I'm going to click duplicate slide. Right? So now I have on slide 21, I have coordinating conjunctions, and on slide 2, I have coordinating conjunctions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase subordinating conjunctions, and I'm going to replace coordinating conjunctions with prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases, all right? So now slide 21 says prepositional phrases, and slide 22 says coordinating conjunctions, all right? Then I'm going to go to the hub, and I did fill in the blank notes again for y'all. So you have prepositional fill in the blank notes and sentence practice. And this first one that says definition, I'm going to copy and put it in this first box and paste. All right, so you can already see that they're a bit longer, so I'm going to adjust my boxes so that they can all fit. All right, and then the second one, sentence practice, I am again going to copy, and then I am going, to paste. All right, I will meet you back on Teams so you can see, we can finish taking these notes, find where the prepositional phrases are, and find some examples.